Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. This video is thank you to Lillian from DURINGCO. This is product that I will link down below, not something I say very often, and it was gifted to me, and they also gifted me 2 others to send out to you guys. So let's start off with saying please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell and leave a comment at the end and let me know what you think about it. So this beautiful little bag, which also has another zipper pocket, which I did not use because I figured this could be garbage. This makeup bag, I'm laughing because as I was putting things in here, I was in my mind coming up with a storyline, a video, if you will, a mind video of myself and my husband going away for 3-4 days to Manhattan again, doing some walking around. Not that I can do any of that, but I can dream. I can dream. This going to Broadway to see the Phantom of the Opera again, which I miss wholeheartedly. Being able to walk for hours and hours and hours. I can't even walk for 10 minutes. But anyway, this is a happy video. This is a very happy video because this is a beautiful bag. It's a very sturdy bag. It's a washable bag. This is, for me, strictly a makeup bag because I have a habit of overpacking. I have traveled so little that I don't know how to pack. I remember the last trip my hubby and I took. Good grief, it had to be just before I got sick. And we were gone for 2 days, no, 2 nights, 3 days. And the smallest of the suitcases, the carry-on, was full. And that doesn't include the fact that I knew we were going to be shopping and I was going to pick up some clothes. I swear I had 5 outfits plus. I overpack. And I realized I overpacked again. And but there's room. There's room. So let me, I'm going to start emptying it out and showing you what I've got. So first, we'll go with the easy route. I've got a plethora of brushes. A plethora of brushes. I've got my cream brushes. I've got my powder brushes. I've got my concealer brush. So we've got that. And then I have brushes. I have more. I have more brushes. Face brushes. Yes, face brushes. Yeah. Okay, so I got those out of the way. Now I'm gonna have to dig. I've got my face cream that I use after I've done all my other face creams, just before I put on my primer. It's not little. This is not me putting into a little container. No, this is a bag that goes in the airplane hull. This is not a carry-on bag. I overpack. So there we go. Well, I can put those away very easily. What else do I have? Here is one of, this is the first foundation. Yeah, the first foundation. But to go with this foundation, I use this. Put a little bronzer underneath to make it a little smidge darker. Okay, what else do I have? I've oh, right, because it's got these little pockets which are absolutely perfect, so everything is easy to find. I even have a pocket in the middle which I didn't use because everything else was too full. But in here I would put things like Q-tips and little spatulas and whatnot. So that would work. So what else do I have in here? Chanel. Yeah, have to have Chanel. Have to have Chanel. But that's not the only foundation I've got in here. I've got Merit. If you didn't notice in the brushes, I've got my Merit brush. So 3 foundations for 4 days. Oh, and to go with my Chanel, of course, my Chanel blush. I'm laughing at myself, people. I really, really am. But we're not done yet. We're not done yet on the face products. I've got blush and highlight. Blush, yep. Because what do you need in 4 days? Lots and lots of choices. But I do have a bronzer, yeah. Powder. It's the only powder product I think I have in here, other than eyeshadow. Because, yeah, I have eyeshadow. And then, of course, I have to have all of my Westman Atelier products. And hopefully on this trip I am buying another one. So there we have that as well. What else do I have in here? Oh, here's another blush. Because that's the one I'm wearing today. So I had to have that. It's beautiful blush. I love it. Love, 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 love. And, oh, I'm not even done in here. Yeah, I'm still on the one side. Yeah. So, eye primer and concealer. I'm baffled that I only have one concealer. I really am. Just totally baffled. I do have this one eyeliner, which, as far as I'm concerned, is the perfect eyeliner, and one lip liner. I think this would cover most everything I need. That's surprising that I only have one of each, but there we go. So, lip products. I didn't go overboard. No. I have this gloss. I have the one I'm wearing today, which is my lifter gloss. I have Aperitif from Merit, absolutely. And just in case I go out at night, I have my Chanel Red. Yeah, I have that as well. Now, I've managed to finish one side, but do you see the pockets in here? Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Now, I'm on to the other side. So, we know my affinity for single shadows. 5. 4 days. That's my mind movie. 4 days, 5 shadows. That's all. I thought that'd be fun. And my favorite palette in the world. Yeah. This one is, I'm not even sure if I would bring this one or one similar. Because I don't want to take a chance on this one breaking. And this is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But as I said, similar. If I don't bring that one because I don't want anything to break, I would bring Set in Stone from ColourPop. Because no. Well, I could bring this one too, but the other one is Slate, which is the cool tone one, but this one is beautiful as well. What can you do, eh? But knowing me, chances are I would bring my Lorac $57 palette. But look at this. And it's got a flap where you put your brushes so you can cover and safely close it. And this is where I had my lip products. They were all together in this little flappy thing. And I could probably put 2 foundations in here. It's just, are you kidding me? And it's sturdy. And this one's mine. I don't know where the other one is, but I've got 2 for giveaways. Would be my first giveaway. Yeah. But this one's mine. It's not going anywhere. So Lillian, You have been so patient with me, and I am so grateful to you for being patient with me. She has, because squirrel. Especially today, my brain's just not with it. So you should see my desk right now. It is covered. You know when you see somebody, an influencer, a really big influencer, and she goes in, I have to clean and declutter and whatnot, and you get a pan of her desk. Well, that's my desk right now, and it's driving me crazy, and I can't wait to finish this video because I need to clean it up. So go check out, click the link, go check out their products. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Thank you, everybody, once again for coming to visit with me. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. À bientôt.